All right, guys, here's another essential, my Chipotle Remoulade. I've been making this sauce for some time. I usually use it on my fish tacos, but what a versatile sauce. So I'm gonna start with some mayo, Chipotle chilies. These are Chipotles in adobo. They've been pureed. Shallots, scallions, a little bit of chive, and capers, lemon juice, and chopped parsley. Pinch of salt. I'm gonna bring it all together. It's kind of a thick sauce. Boom, you're done, finished. Again, a great sauce for burgers, fish tacos, you name it. I have some slow cooked shrimp. The remoulade just coats the shrimp nicely. Get to making some sauces, guys.